just place it inside. Just place it inside. And same way like how we did the earlier flower, no, backside you will be having unwanted clay too much, very long it will be. That may not be required. So you can just cut and take it off. The rest of the clay, you can just place this in a required place. Now our beautiful grand diya is ready with the clay work. Okay. With this, you need to add more leaves. Only if we add leaves, no, it look lively and good. Give impressions for the leaf. And next we can do the coloring part. Give impression for leaf. Before your clay get dries, no, you just fix all those things. While fixing, if it is not fixing well, you can take the glue, apply little glue and get it fixed. How many other leaves you want, you can add it. Give impression for the leaves and just place it to places where you want. I'll place here also 2 or 3 flowers I'll be keeping. Yeah. Here I have like whichever place you want, you can just keep it. Still my clay is not dry. It will take little time actually. If you want, you can do flowers like this also. This also I have done it in that same way only. But somewhat lesser quantity of the clay I have taken and I have done these things. Okay. And here I have done with the metallic and sparkly colors. Same way here also you can do the coloring. This I think it will be good if I take red color and paint. Red or pink or whichever color you want, you can use it. For brown and orange, red, I think it will be that too for rose. Red rose is the special, okay? So I think I can use that. Use any type of brush you can use for this. I'm taking flat brush so that it will be easy and convenient for coloring. While coloring, see that you are coloring it just for the roses. I'm giving red. Even the innermost part, try to color it with red, okay? Touch little water if the flow is not good. My clay, it is not yet dried and so it is difficult for me to color it. But see that when your clay dries, no, you can do it. coloring part, try to take more time and do it neatly and nicely. See that backside of thing also, you're doing it neatly. All the interior part, everything should be colored. Check all the sides and do it. Because this is going to look 3D, isn't it? So see that without missing even a small portion, use even a round brush, small ones, and do it neatly. Myself, I don't have time for me to finish the work fast. So I thought it is easy for me to color it with flat brush. See, you can do it like this. Coloring can be done like this, okay? That both flowers, I have made it with red color.
See with you lots. யூடியூப்ல போடுவாங்க இந்த வீடியோல அப்புறம் என்ன உடனே வந்து அந்த ஆன்லைன் ரூம்ல தான் பார்க்கணும் 2 நிமிஷம் பார்த்துட்டு செய்வா.
And these two flowers, no, the sides, whatever it is there, I'm going to color it with white color. White color, after doing with white, you can give any shading in the center. It will be easy for me if I turn to my side. And that pollen can be done with either yellow or black or whichever color you want. Any light color you can just apply over that. Since because the center part we have colored it with red, it is coming as pink. So be careful. Myself, I don't have time. I'm doing it now itself. You take more time and do it neatly and nicely, okay? If you have any doubt, you can see the thing in the channel and you can do it. With blue even you can shade it, or with violet you can shade, or mauve color you can shade. Just because the clay is wet, no, it is difficult for me to color. When the clay dries, it will be easy for you to color it. I'm going to do the shading with blue, okay? You can use either cerulean blue if you wanted it to be little darker, or you can do it with sky blue. That also it look pretty when it goes with red. So when the white color is wet itself, you try to take the color whichever you require, take it and color it. From the center, I'm doing it very lightly. I'm doing it. Either lavender color or anything. If you want also, you can use. Same way, the other flower also I'm doing it. And center portion, you can color it with yellow. It can be chrome yellow or golden yellow or lemon yellow, whichever you feel or you have, you can use that. Not particular with any color, okay? It is totally your wish only. You can do, you have your own innovative ideas and try to finish the work, okay? Even now it is not dried. For the leaves, you can give light green or dark green or sap green can be given. I'm giving golden yellow for the pollen, okay? So that somewhat bright it will look. Or with both the color also you can do lemon yellow and golden yellow. How much of a colors? I think it is visible, isn't it? One more thing, what we can do for this bottle is you can just decorate it with stones or anything like that. I want this stone should be placed here. Some glittery stones, I wanted it to be pasted here. And the other thing like this portion, I wanted it to be plain. I'll first finish the green color. Green or dark green or light green, you can use it. Just apply directly the green color. And little of lemon yellow can be given for shading. Allow the clay things to dry for enough time and then do the coloring. Okay. I didn't mix little more clay. While mixing the other clay, I'll do it here for you. This part I'm going to do it with, just paste it with the premium fabric glue, okay? One more leaf I have missed, color that. Neatly all the sides, you see how we are doing it and then do it, okay? Like staple coloring for the flower also you can do it so that it doesn't look awkward at the back. Little yellow if you take, you can just do the shading. For shading, you can use lemon yellow, okay? From the bottom side, it need not be visible too much and all. Very lightly, if you give, it is enough. From one side or the bottom side alone, you can give. This is the great idea. Like you can decorate it like this. You can have this as a showpiece or like floating flower arrangement. Everything like floating flower arrangement means in Navratri and all. You can keep it in the welcome area. Okay. Every time you need not use this as a DI itself. You can use it like multi-purpose, you can use it. Apply glue. Since because this stone is so big, no, I thought I can apply glue and just place it here. And later with 3D outliners or cone liners, you can decorate it. Blue will be a contrast color. You can make just dots, you make it, or lines, you can make it. Sorry, I couldn't see like that. And turn to my side, I'll do and I show you. If you have laces also, you can just use that. Golden lace and all, it will look good. See, I've used that. In the center, I have placed it. Okay. Glass colors, if you want, you can drop it here like this. Shall I show you one more arrangement like peacock in this? I'll do and show you. It's a simple thing. Very fast, you can finish it. If you, what I'm doing it here, you can do it in the other thing what I showed you also. I thought children's will you will be feeling difficult if I tell you about this. That's why I thought I can show you flowers. This will look more traditional. Okay. This is an extra tip only I'm showing you now. Okay. I'm taking only very little clay. If you want, you can take more clay too. Mix it up nicely. For mixing, if you want to dust with some powder, you can just dust your hand with powder. Mix the clay. Uniformly, it should be white in color. So very little clay I'm taking. Since because these lamps are very small, I'm just taking very little clay. Make it into teardrop shape. You just bend it like this. Bend it like this. And pinch it at the end of the thing so that you get a peacock beak. Okay. Then you extend the thing like this. Place it over here. Like miniature only I'm showing you. Like here we can paste it. And then take equal size balls. 2 balls you are taking. Like how we made the leaf, no? Same way you can make this petals too. In the petal, you can give the comma stroke like thing, like fold the flap like this and give something like this. Okay. Then it look like feather effect. For the wings, you can just place it like this. Other wing also you do it in that same way. Fold the paper or chart or even hairpins can be used. Just make it like this, or refills can be used. Like this, I'm getting comma stroke like thing. Just place it like this. In the sides, you can keep it. Okay. Like how we made for the pollen, you take one small clay piece. Just keep that for the peacock head. Okay, that we have done. Use any toothpick or pen and you can just prick the eyes portion. I'm using scissor, okay? But you people, if you are confident, use scissor, otherwise don't use that. Yeah, I've pricked the, this is the head part, this is the wing. This one we will not be able to color it now, okay? And the bottom, that back side beneath the wings, no? Take little more clay, just flatten it, make it into shape like this, round shape you can place it. You can just place it like this in the center. Before placing, no, you can give impressions in this. You can take something like refill cap or refill pens you can take. Just make circles. For each circle, if you want, you can use the glass colors even for coloring. And just place this at the back. For it to dry nicely, no, you just allow this part itself to, you just keep it like this and make it dry. Only then this will be flat. Place it in such a way that it is like this. You allow it to dry like this only. If this is heavy and it is falling down, you can keep any weight like this and make it hold for few minutes only. When the mold it gets dried or becomes stiff, no, then you will get a proper peacock lamp. Okay, you can have some proper weights. Okay, you can keep something like this so that this will not move. This is going to be flat like this itself only. Before the clay dries, don't disturb at all. Okay, this we didn't disturb for such 1 hour or something. Now it has got fixed. These two lamps, it has got fixed nicely. Then we have fixed this. I'll show you like this. Okay, keep it in such a way that it is like this flat, so that when this portion dries, no, you can take it as a peacock lamp. This is the simplest thing which I wanted to show. Any doubts you can ask me. For this portion, if you want to color anything, you can use any color and just color it. Let it be darker color so that it will be the other work at the top will be visible. I'm taking black. If you feel that black it is not good for God and all, you can even use brown or blue. Okay, I'm taking blue. Take blue and color the bottom part. I think today's session you would have liked. Any metallic colors also, it will go very well with this. It will be very nice. Instead of this, you can use even the pencil boxes or something like that also you can use it. Any box, not pencil box, any boxes you can use. Old waste ones and all is there, no, you can use that. Just coloring part, you can do it easily like. If you want, you can apply white color and then do it. This being darker color we want, I didn't use white, okay? I washed it and I have applied little Fevicol coat too with this, so that the fixation of the pores will be good. The coloring what we are doing on the top also, it will long last. Yeah, I have colored this, okay? The bottom part outside, if you want, you can give any other color. Something like brilliant purple or something even you can give. Since because that is a porcelain thing, like when you give this type of color, it look little bit good. So today we have seen 3 types of lamp settings. Even more, I have told you the ideas. While coloring, see that you color it only in the required area and it doesn't go beyond the boundary where you wanted the color to be. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, ma.
Ma'am, your work is very nice, ma'am.
Thank you, ma. Try to do and post the photo, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Any others, if you have doubts, you can ask me.
Mali, come here.
Any doubt?
Mali. Good.
Yeah, this is completed, okay? Bottom it is dark and top part we have colored it little bit lighter enough, okay? The other one, the bigger one, what we have did today. Setting is like this. If you want, you can add any decorations or anything here. Till here you can do it. Since the clay is not dried, I can't apply glue and paste it, okay? If it is not fixing. If you want, you can mix clay and you can just paste little more flowers over this area. Thank you, everyone. I hope you everyone will do this and submit for the thing, okay? It is such a
Ma'am,
nice
can you
work.
show me the lamp, ma'am?
Yeah. This is the lamp we have done now. Here you can have it as a floating flower arrangement. Here you can light the lamp, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is the thing
Other
you showed
lamp is
before
something
this?
like this. Small we have made it. Like the setting is like this. And one more thing, it has not yet set, but I can show you like this. See, like peacock it looks now, but only when it sets we will be able to do the coloring and all. It is difficult otherwise we can't do the coloring. Keep it flat, lying down like this so that it will not get disturbed. Have some weight over this place. Keep some weight over this place so that this is horizontal, okay? Only then you can place it. Illana konal aichna, you can't keep it. Okay? Thank you, everyone. I believe you can enjoy this Navratri with this diyas. Okay? Thank you all.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
tell
one
me.
doubt, ma'am.
Tell me.
What is the thing you made with that? You showed us one. You made one this thing. No, what is the thing you used in the terracotta bowls, sir?
Yeah, terracotta bowls
That
only.
one terracotta bowls. It is.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Terracotta lamps itself, it comes in so many different shapes and sizes. Okay. This is a normal plain one.
Okay.
Normal plain one, like it's a terracotta thing only. These both are terracottas. Okay.
Okay.
The lamps, whatever I have used is only terracotta. It costs very less, ma. It comes around 5 to 10 rupees only. It will be, I think, or not more than that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
Very nice class, ma'am.
Thank you. You are doing all the work. You are submitting everything. I'm happy that you are doing it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, ma. Everyone, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you, Savita.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Bye.